Sea lampreys are parasitic jawless fish that are found in the shores of the Great Lakes. Sea lampreys feed on a wide variety of fish by attaching their jaws onto the skin of a fish with their teeth for grip. It uses its tongue to rasp through the scales and skin of its victim. It then feeds on the bodily fluids of the fish, similar to how a leech feeds off of its victim.
Sea lamprey were first found in the Great Lakes back in 1835 in Lake Ontario. It is not known whether or not they are native to Lake Ontario, but they were held up in this lake because the Niagara Falls served as a natural barrier. With the development of the Welland Canal in the late 1800s and early 1900s, it allowed the lampreys to bypass the Niagara Falls and invade the Great Lakes. By 1938, the sea lampreys were spread across all 5 Great Lakes. They flourished in the Great Lakes because of the surplus of host fish and the lack of predators.
Sea lampreys had a profound negative impact on the wildlife and fisheries in the Great Lakes. The U.S. and Canada harvested 15 million pounds of lake trout before 1940. In 1960, only 300,000 pounds of lake trout were harvested.
85% of trout, whitefish, and ciscos that were not killed by sea lampreys were marked with sea lamprey attack wounds. The invasion of the sea lamprey in the Great Lakes led to the downfall of thriving fisheries and the loss of hundreds and thousands of jobs in the region.
Lampricides have been used to control sea lampreys. They are pesticides that target and kill sea lamprey larvae before they develop lethal mouths. Sea lampreys are also controlled by use of pheromones and alarm cues, which are natural odors emitted from sea lamprey. Pheromones are emitted to attract other sea lamprey. Alarm cues are emitted when a sea lamprey dies or is injured. These odors can be used to lure lamprey into traps or repel them from spawning habitat. In the last 40 years, these control methods have successfully reduced sea lamprey populations in the Great Lakes by 90%. Controlling sea lamprey in the Great Lakes will help revive charter fishing, bring back jobs, and restore the ecosystem.